Face Sinclair, and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Alright, so we got another wig video for you guys today. I told you I was coming back with the hairstyles, with the wig reviews. Yeah, we about to be doing some more hairstyle. I don't know, I feel like I miss doing this. I miss it. So let me get back to doing what I like to do, okay? So we have this wig, and it's the Butta Lace wig, unit number 24. So let's go ahead and let's show you how I put this wig on. Hey y'all, so we are first starting off with putting on my stocking cap. Yes, the infamous stocking cap. Just so we can lay our hair down as flat as possible. And this is the Butta Lace unit 24 in the color number 2. I'm just taking it out the packaging and showing you guys what the lace looks like and everything. So as y'all can see, the lace is a little light, so I am going in with some concealer that's closer to my skin tone to put on the bottom of the lace. Alright, so now we're putting the unit on, and I'm just adjusting it to my head, making sure that it's on the way that I want it and that it fits well. And so now I'm pinning my hair back, and we are going to cut the hairline on this lace. So I'm cutting in like a zigzag motion, you guys, and this is a little close up so that y'all can see. You want to cut in a zigzag motion so that the lace is undetectable on your forehead, okay? So do not just cut that lace going straight across. You need to make the lace jagged across the forehead. Okay, so now I'm just going to try to cut a jagged edge. Haha, get it, like this singing group. But no, I'm trying to cut a zigzag edge along on the other side, and I was on the struggle bus with this side, y'all. This is not my dominant side, so it took a little bit more patience. Okay, so I couldn't find my lace spray, so we're going to the next best thing, what people used to use before they made all this lace spray, which is my Got To Be Glued spray. And we're just going to spray the forehead. I fan it a little bit to make sure that it's tacky, and we're going to lay the lace along our forehead. Y'all, my widow's peak be giving me problems, but as y'all can see, I tried to smooth it back up underneath the lace. So I'm just pressing down on the lace with the comb, trying to make the lace adhere to that Got To Be sprayed. So you will see me going in some more with my brush that had that concealer on it, and we're just trying to make that lace blend in a little bit more with my skin because we want it to look melted. We want it to look like this is coming out of our scalp. So I did want to be able to kind of like tuck the hair behind my ears and have this little side piece coming out. So this is what you'll see me customizing right now. I'm going to cut around my ear part because the lace is a little bit too long. So I'm cutting some of that off, and then I'm just going to use some more of my Got To Be Glued spray to make that lace lay down. So the last thing to do is to try to make this wig as flat as possible at the part. So I am going in with my Got To Be glued spray and my hot comb, and I believe the temperature was on like around 400 or maybe 390, and we're just going to set that hair in place and try to flatten it out as close to the scalp as possible so that it looks very, very realistic. So y'all, this wig gives me like grown woman vibes. It's giving grown woman. It also kind of reminds me of Beyonce's hair in her EXO video. So that's the vibes that I'm getting from this. I like it. It's a cute little bob, cute little flowy bob. I would definitely wear this like in the summertime. Yeah, I like this. I like it. Let me turn around for you guys. Y'all already saw it though. Turned around. So let me know if you guys have tried this wig out, if you love it, if you hate it. Let me know, or if you even want to try it out. Let me know in the comment section, and let me know if you guys want to see me review any more wigs or do any more hairstyles that I need to try out. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.